Hey guys, it's Alicia with Tuffaznails. I just wanted to hop on real quick and let you know that even though things are crazy right now with quarantining and not being able to go to the salon and get your nails done, things like that, that Color Street is definitely the winning option for sure. So for instance, in my day job, I have to wear gloves pretty much all the time, and I'm pretty much always wearing a mask as well, because I work in retail. I'm an essential employee. But even though I'm wearing gloves all the time, my hands are pretty much constantly in water, between cleaning fish tanks at work and also fishing myself because I love fishing. My nails, these have been on for about a week and they are still going strong. So take a look. So you see a little bit of cracking there. Sometimes the solids do crack a little bit I'd say after about a week. Glitters are much more forgiving and they tend to last longer in my experience. For instance, these mermaid nails, I actually reused, and they had been saved for about probably like 5 months, and I have a couple other videos telling you how to save your nails for multiple uses, even though technically they are single use. There are a few tips and tricks on how to reuse them if you wish to try. They were a little bit dried out because I saved them with tape rather than my new cool resealing thing. I definitely highly recommend getting one of those. That's also in one of my other videos. It helps a lot. This is called Hue Do Hue, the colors, the multiple color stripes. I love it. It's in the new spring line. And there's also a new version of this mermaid. This is Atlantis, which is retired. I do have a couple though. If you would like to order them, let me know. There is a new one and it's a little bit different shade, but it's still mermaid, which is awesome. And there's still the pedicure mermaid set, of course. Also, you can see a little bit on the tip of this middle fingernail that it's kind of coming off a little bit. That's actually because my nail broke, but these are holding up really well for a week, and pretty much always wearing gloves. I also am like working stock and pulling labels off of shelves, which can be murder on your nails. They really are doing well. Here's my other hand. Kind of the same story here. I broke this nail on a rock when I was fishing the other day, but a little bit of cracking on the solids, which is kind of standard after about a week of wearing them. Again, glitters are a little bit more forgiving. A little tiny bit coming off on the tip of that nail there, but I was really nervous that here we go. I was really nervous that since I had to wear gloves all the time, I was like, oh my God, what is this going to do to my nails? But it really is not bad. So that's good. Yay for Color Street. So again, to find me, it's tuffaznails.com, TUFFAZ nails.com, or Facebook, which is going to be facebook.tuffaznails.com. Or you can also join my VIP group that way on facebook.tuffaznails.com. And if you would like a sample, it's sample.tuffaznails.com. Awesome. So let me know how this quarantine thing's going for you and what your nails look like. I want to see pictures. Let me see. And I do have a bunch of personal stock that you can order from right now. The website is pretty much out of stock because the manufacturing is slowing down and there's a lot of demand right now. So with the salons being closed and everything, everybody needs some nails. So I do have some personal stock. Let me know if you want any. You can contact me in any of those ways. Best way is to join my VIP group, because then I can easily let you know what I have in stock and communicate with you there. All right, so you have a safe and happy quarantine. It's almost over, I think, I hope. And I will see you later. Bye.